Hi guys, today I'm discussing about how to lay pipes in the slab. See here, let's look into the living room. In this middle room, one fan junction box. In this middle room, let's put on the four corner pipes in the four corner pipes. See here, this is the junction box. PL. See, it is a 25 pipe, four sides. See here, we have a one doubt. There is no socket and light. Why we are you putting on this pipe? Just because there are because we need to in the future we have to take it now. I'm giving from and junction box to wall side. Four sides completed. Now I'm going to the kitchen room. Take one side. See here, giving this side. This side. It's completed in the kitchen room. Now the next class I am discussing about the bedroom and balcony and bath. Thank you friends.